Hello and welcome to Spot the Markets, our weekly analysis by Mercury Partners Academy. I am Marcello Zanardo, CEO of MBA and adjunct professor at Ca' Foscari University. This is the commentary up to the week of the 23rd of August. Looking at the markets, Vice President Kamala Harris accepted the Democratic nomination, and Federal Reserve Powell signaled clearly a September rate cut at Jackson Hole. And the markets were up, the US index with the Dow up 1.27, S&P almost 1.5, and the Nasdaq Composite by a similar amount. Looking at the weekly winner and losers across asset classes, we had real estate, Russell, silver, and small cap all posting good gains for the week. And wheat, natural gas, and also the US index, given the fact that it's a certainty they will cut rates in September, all losing for the week. It's interesting to see that since the beginning of the year, with volatility still up, gold is among one of the best asset classes, 23% up, with the Nasdaq and the S&P up year to date by 19 and 18% roughly. And the Nikkei is actually performing slightly below the MSCI World Index at almost 15%. In negative territory, we continue to have some Shanghai Stock Index and some fixed income markets like the emerging markets local bond. If we look at the global equity sector, global tech is up by 21% year to date, followed by communication services up by 21% and financial 17% up. And materials and consumer discretionary are actually the worst performer within the equity sectors. Some stock news. Target, the retailer, raised the profit goals for the year, was up 10%. If we look at Ford Motor, they're scrapping plans for an electric three-road SUV, and they were slightly up for the week. In Estée Lauder, that said that their CEO, Fabrizio Freda, will step aside after 15 years. And then we have some news on the airline space with Away and Holdings up 11%. Looking at this week, it's we're recording a little bit later on Wednesday. All eyes are on NVIDIA that will report quarterly results after the market close. This is clearly a very important earnings for the whole market, especially for the technology-driven stock. Remind you that we have internship applications. You can visit our website, mercurypartners.net, under employment, and download the presentation. Follow us on our social media. We have a lot of guests in September and a job opportunity as well. Stay tuned, and we'll be soon again with Spot the Markets and other guests. All the best.